Xbox just increased the price of Xbox Game Pass to $30 per month, a massive increase of up to 28%, 55%, and even 100% depending on your region. But what do you exactly get inside of the new upgraded Xbox Game Pass? And could this be the beginning of a major downfall for Microsoft? Let's start by breaking down exactly what you get inside of each of these brand new tiers. Xbox Game Pass Core has now been renamed to Xbox Game Pass Essentials. And essentially, it is exactly the same. It's still $10 per month, but there are some slight changes to what is included. You still get your Xbox Live Gold subscription for online console multiplayer, letting you play with your friends, a very small rotating library of 50 games, and also now cross-platform compatibility with Xbox Game Pass for PC, console, and also cloud. You get unlimited cloud gaming inside of Essentials now, which I believe wasn't included in Core up until this point. Do you use cloud gaming? I personally don't, but I do have a pretty awful Wi-Fi, so I'm maybe a really bad example. But it is useful for testing games on Game Pass before you actually go ahead and maybe install them or even purchase them if you want to, especially on these lower tiers. And there's also Xbox Store reward points, up to $25 per year. Kind of pointless. I don't even know why this is on the marketing to say it's like helps with the value of things. The amount of hours you have to spend to try and earn that $25 just simply is not worth it. And it's the same for all of the other tiers as well. Like the hour to dollar ratio is in the pennies. Now, these are the exact games that you get inside of Xbox Game Pass Essentials. There's a few decent ones, like I really had to look there. I really had to have a look there. Fallout 4? Maybe? A new one that was added is City Skylines Remastered. That was added in this announcement. This is one of the new, I believe, October games. Call of Duty Warzone is free anyways, so I don't really know why that's listed. Power Wash Simulator or In the Blind Forest, Will of the Wisps, a banger. But other than that, the rest of them are really, they're Xbox One games, like Halo 5, Xbox One, Fallout 4, Xbox One, Halo Wars 2, Xbox One, Gears 5, Xbox One. But if we're truly honest, I don't think anyone's buying the Essentials tier for the games. You're just literally paying $10 a month to get your Xbox Live Gold subscription at this point. Next, let's talk about Xbox Game Pass Premium, which was formerly known as Xbox Game Pass Standard. This bumps your game library up to 200 games, which is a big improvement. But there are some caveats. You no longer get access to day one games at launch. They just come at some point when Xbox feels like it, basically when player numbers fall off a little bit. They'll be like, let's put it on Game Pass. That could be 2 months later, 3 months later, 12 months later, no idea. Or 2 weeks later. And also, Call of Duty has been removed from this tier of Game Pass. So you will not be able to play Black Ops 7 on day one, unlike with Black Ops 6, which was actually pretty cool, to be fair. Like, I didn't buy Black Ops this year, but I played it on Xbox first, and also played it on PC first because it was on my Xbox Ultimate subscription across both these platforms. So for me, that was great value. Everything in Premium remains the same as in Essentials. You get Xbox Game Pass with PC, console, unlimited cloud gaming, in-game benefits, but this time you get up to $50 a year of reward points on the Microsoft Store. So even more grinding for you to do. Now, these are some of the games that we can get inside of Xbox Game Pass Premium. Slight improvement. Hogwarts Legacy has just been added to Xbox Game Pass, so that's a fantastic addition. On the announcement of this, these were the titles that they sort of announced within this tier. Some of the notable ones are worth mentioning, but some new drops are Hogwarts Legacy. This has just been added to Game Pass, both Ultimate and Premium. Can you buy it on sale for probably like $25 or something like that at certain times of the year? Probably. Peppa Pig is a great addition to Xbox Game Pass Premium as well. There are some backwards compatible games from Xbox 360 at this tier too, but it's a cool feature that on Xbox. Not gonna dispute it. I play Red Dead Redemption all the time on my Xbox Series X because it literally plays at like 4K 30 FPS. That game's an insane backwards pack compatible, but that's the only backwards pack game I really play. The rest of them, for me personally, not really down with the kids. Like Costume Quest, I didn't even play that on the Xbox 360, so why am I even going to play that on my Xbox Series X? There's a lot more next generation games or even next gen upgraded games. You know, you've got the full Forza franchise here, Farming Simulator 25, absolute banger, Far Cry 6, the full Gears of War collection, you know, all of the remastered stuff as well, GTA 5, Halo Infinite. The list goes on. You can keep scrolling through this, like 13 pages here of pretty good quality games that you're getting. And the price is exactly the same at $15 per month as what it used to be. But now let's talk about where the biggest controversy is, and that's with Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Now this already existed. I'm an Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscriber. I think that's mainly because back in the day, correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but I swear you had to have Ultimate in order to have Xbox Game Pass for console and also for PC, so you could use both of those subscriptions on your same account. I swear that was what it was. Obviously, it appears now that all of the Xbox tiers are compatible regardless of device because everything's an Xbox now. This is an Xbox, baby. Even your PS5. This is now $30 per month, and seriously, there is no value here at all. It's a really hard sell. I'm gonna try my best though. So you still get 400 plus games, but now you get 75 day one game releases per year, including all of Xbox's studios that they purchase, which is Call of Duty Black Ops 7. This is included in the very top tier. But to artificially inflate the price and the value proposition here, Microsoft has also thrown in Fortnite Crew, Ubisoft Plus Classics, and EA Play, all within this subscription. I swear EA Play was already included in Game Pass at some point in the past, and I swear you get trials even on Ultimate at the moment. This is all included now, but also we get Ubisoft Plus Classics, which is an atrocious catalog of games. But the issue is Ubisoft Plus is not a plus. It's actually a negative because these are all games that released on like the Xbox 360 and the PS3. You can't claim that these are worth paying for $30 per month. Also combine this with the fact that you're forced to get the Fortnite Crew Battle Pass, which is worth $12 per month. But let's be honest here, who even plays Fortnite anymore? Or even to the extent where they would care to have the Fortnite Crew Battle Pass. I feel like this is quite a niche offering. Yes, Fortnite's a huge game, but in terms of people that, are buying Game Pass to play Black Ops 7 and also the Fortnite Crew Battle Pass, it seems a little bit of a mix of too much stuff going on here in terms of what customer they're actually trying to target. So for me, and probably for you, this is a completely pointless feature. Our Game Pass subscription has basically gone up by $12 and a little bit extra because of Fortnite Crew Battle Pass, something we don't even want to pay for anyways or use. Here's all the Ubisoft stuff. So we got Unity, Assassin's Creed Freedom Cry. I swear that was a free DLC. It's on Black Flag. I swear that was a free DLC, or at least like a pre-order bonus. I had it at least on my Xbox 360. Trials Fusion, again, haven't played that Trials since like Trials HD on the Xbox 360. Assassin's Creed Syndicate. Don't even want to get started on that one. Assassin's Creed Chronicles, The Division, man, The Division. It was Far Cry 3. Again, that was an Xbox 360 game. I can't keep scrolling. It's too depressing. Overall, this is a pretty awful move by Microsoft. They already increased the prices of the Xbox this year, and nobody was really buying the hardware anyways. And the only successful thing they had was the software and the subscription services, which they've now increased the price so much that the website was actually crashing for people canceling the Xbox Game Pass subscription. Now you do see companies do this a lot, Netflix, Disney Plus, increasing the price of their subscription service, and everyone says, I'm gonna cancel, I'm never using it ever again. And then they obviously keep it. What I could see myself doing is having the cheapest monthly subscription just so I can go online and just start purchasing games again on the store. If I really analyze my own usage of the Xbox over the last 2 years, it would have probably been cheaper for me to just purchase the games I play the most frequent anyways, whilst having the cheapest tier, and save a few $100s compared to paying for Xbox Ultimate to get all of them and just really play 2 games anyways. But if you want to see how Xbox currently compares to PlayStation and if you should sell your Xbox and just get a PS5, you should check out this video next, because if you like this, you'll like that.